Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 619,000 original miles and 100,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul. Probably the sweetest truck that we've got on the yard today. Super clean underneath, paint, body, interior. We'll do a full walk around. I've gotten it hot, so I'm gonna get underneath the hood, finish up on the inside, show you the blow by oil pressure, everything that you want to see, just like you're standing here. It does have air ride front end too, which is nice. That ride's a dream. Blow by looks great. Body, paint, back of the cab, all that's in excellent shape. All aluminum wheels, air side fifth wheel. Got a super cool look to it. Matching leather Bostrom seats. Window in the back. Interior is extremely clean. Great low side oil pressure, super smooth through the RPMs, and of course that oil pressure climbs like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching this. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. You can call me at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.